You know how it is. You get back from an amazing trip, and when someone asks how it was, all you can say is, "Oh, it was nice." Well, today we are going to fix that. We're going to find the right words, the perfect words, to really capture the magic of a great holiday.
Oh, that feeling. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? That moment when the day-to-day grind just gets to be a little too much, and you feel this pull, this deep need to just go somewhere else, anywhere else, to just escape and hit the reset button.
Well, that feeling actually has a name. It's the need for a getaway. And it's so much more than just a regular trip. It's a real escape. So let's dive in and break down what that really means.
The most important word here is escape. A getaway isn't just any old vacation. It's usually a short trip. Sometimes it's even totally spontaneous, and its whole purpose is to pull you away from the stress of your daily life. Think of it like a quick recharge. A weekend in the mountains, or maybe a few days on a quiet beach.
Okay, so you've decided you absolutely need that getaway. Let the planning begin. Let's imagine we're booking the ultimate surprise trip. First things first, we've got two big decisions to make. Where are we going, and what kind of ticket are we going to buy?
For our perfect escape, let's go with the countryside. And why the countryside? Well, because it's the total opposite of a busy city. We're talking about quiet, rural areas with tons of nature, fresh air, and wide open spaces. It's pretty much the ideal place to just relax and unwind.
All right, next up, the tickets. A round-trip ticket is what most of us get for a vacation, right? It gets you there, and it brings you back home. But a one-way ticket, that's kind of for when you're dreaming of just leaving and never looking back. But for our planned getaway, our round-trip ticket is exactly what we're looking for.
Okay, our trip is booked, we've landed, we're here. But the special treatment, the real experience, it doesn't just start when you get to the hotel. Nope, it begins right now. The journey to our final destination is all part of the adventure.
Just imagine this. You get picked up from the airport by a limousine, and the driver says this to you. I mean, what a perfect way to turn a simple car ride into a totally luxurious experience. But let's look a little closer at two words in that sentence: complimentary and finger foods. What are we really talking about here?
This one's pretty simple. Complimentary just means it's free. It's included in the price you've already paid. So that champagne, it's not an extra charge on your bill. It's a little gift to make your experience that much better. It's the same idea as getting a complimentary upgrade to first class on a flight. We can all dream, right?
And finger foods are, well, they're exactly what they sound like. They're small, easy-to-handle snacks that you can just eat with your fingers. Think about the little appetizers you might see at a party. They are perfect for enjoying in a limo without making a huge mess.
So after that incredible ride, we've finally arrived at where we're staying. And this is not just any old hotel. No, this is something really special, a place with a ton of history and character.
We're staying in an old country villa. Now, when we say it offers an intimate time, we mean it's cozy, it's private, and it's even a little romantic. This is not some huge crowded hotel. It's a special place designed for just a few guests so they can have a really personal experience.
Now, this villa has been both restored and refurbished. These two words are so key. Restored means they've carefully brought the building back to its original historic beauty. But refurbished, that means the inside has been totally updated with new furniture, fresh paint, and all the modern comforts. So you get the best of both worlds, the charm of an old building with the luxury of a new one.
So, we're all settled into our beautifully restored villa. Now it's time to talk about the incredible scenery all around us. Let's learn some really powerful adjectives so we can paint a picture with our words.
First one up, fabulous. You could totally use this to describe the restaurant at the villa. It doesn't just mean good, it means it's wonderful, it's excellent, maybe even a little glamorous. It's a word that has a lot of energy and personality.
Next, from that fabulous restaurant, we have a stunning view. This is one of my absolute favorite words. Stunning means something is so beautiful it's almost shocking. It literally takes your breath away. And it's also a fantastic compliment. Telling someone they look stunning is a really powerful way to say they look incredibly beautiful.
So what is this stunning view of? A lush green garden. Lush is the perfect word for describing plants and nature. It means everything is just incredibly green, healthy, and growing everywhere. Think of a vibrant rainforest or a perfectly manicured garden.
So let's put this all together. Instead of saying, we ate at a good restaurant with a nice view of the pretty garden, you can now say, we dined at a fabulous restaurant with a stunning view of the lush garden. See the difference? It just brings the whole experience to life.
And there you have it. We went from planning a trip all the way to describing every beautiful detail. So, now the big question is for you. Using some of these new words, how would you describe your perfect getaway? I really hope this helps you share your travel stories in a whole new, much more exciting way.